Okay, well, making that last video prompted me to go ahead and do something about it, so I grabbed that can of Altoids that I'm using as a SD card holder, and I went ahead and tested it a little bit here, and it seems to be working. So what I'm going to use is just some carb cleaner and spray it on this rag, and I don't need the knife at all. I just like the knife, so I'm going to leave it here. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and just spray a little bit more carb cleaner into a corner of this towel, this little rag, and I'm just going to go to work on this Altoids can. You can see it goes pretty quick. So I'm just going to use appropriate pressure. I suppose it's not going to hurt anything to pull all these things out for the time being, just in case. Spray it on there a little bit, let it set, start wiping it off before it all evaporates. I'll probably just go to fast forward here. Alright, that was working, but it really wasn't working fast enough for me. So I'd rather use the power of science than the wasting so much time. So now I'm going to try some of this. I always say it wrong, so whatever it is, toluene or something. Well, I can't really tell if it's working any better, but I suspect it might be. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward again. Okay, that's as far as I'm going. I think that cleaner might have been making me lightheaded already. So, anyway, it definitely worked, except for this stinking barcode, which is still painted on there, and I did make a little dent in it. I suspect I might need to soak it a little bit to get rid of that. It's going to say Smalls no matter what, unless I do something about smashing this. Honestly, it doesn't matter too much that it says Smalls. That's a lot better than having all the marketing stuff on there. So I'll probably go at it a little bit more with a toothbrush to try to get along this edge where I'm missing it with the cotton swabs, and then to get in here, which I haven't had success getting right next to the raised letters. But otherwise it looks like it works. I suspect if I would have let that soak for a little while, I probably would have spent less time on it. But basically prove that it's just paint. Anything that removes paint should be able to remove it. Hopefully this will look a little bit cooler in the bag and for carrying the SD cards.